Hello, let's start a series of lectures related to fintech and fintech applied technologies. Our lecture today is an introduction to fintech. So in this lecture, we would like to know why do we have to study fintech and what's meant by fintech. Why fintech matters. The rapid improvement in technology has resulted in a massive change in the financial services provided by financial service providers. So the rapid acceleration of technology has invited new competitors to the market and at the same time abandoned the traditional order of the industry. For people working in the field of financial services, whether in a banking sector or consultant company, insurance company, anything like that, so they have to study fintech. It's no longer optional to study fintech or not. As said by Bill Gates in 1994, banking is necessary, banks are not. So this means that there is an expectations for transformation in the banking services, not in the banks itself, but the service provided by any other institution, not the bank itself. Also, Jackman 2013 said that the world will be without cash in 30 years. So this means that the means of payments are going to be changed over years. These causes frame the strategic urgency fintech creates. These causes are considered to be expectations about the improvement in fintech in the future. So what's fintech? Fintech is an abbreviation or stands for financial technology. It's considered to be technology-enabled innovation in financial services that result in new business models, applications, processes, or products with effect on financial markets and institutions. So this means that the traditional financial services provided by financial institutions are going to be modified, or there is an improvement in these services. Fintech is not a digitalization of existing process. It is the reimagination of financial services delivery. It's considered as decoupling products and services that have historically been bundled together by full service banks. So fintech succeeds not by doing something new, but by doing existing financial services for better, faster, cheaper, and more personalized and more accessible than incumbents can or will. To differentiate between three main concepts: traditional financial IT, fintech startups, and techfin. Traditional financial IT is the traditional information system in the banks. Just like the SWIFT, the ATMs, the core banking system, this is considered to be the traditional one, traditional services provided using IT or information technology. While with respect to fintech, it is commonly means startups, fintech startups. Fintech startups are agile technology first startups challenging incumbents from outside the system. So they are considered to be startups doing the same functions of the banks or the financial institutions. Actually, after classifying these services, so each startup is going to specify in only one service. For example, in the payments, in lending, etc. Okay, so for example, in Egypt there are Sandal, Fawri, Highland. All of them are considered to be fintech startups. In Saudi Arabia there is Tamara and Rakamiya. In United Arab Emirates there is Tabi, and in Kuwait there is My Fatura. All of them are considered to be fintech startups. What about TechFin? TechFin are large technology companies. Actually, these companies, before entering the financial services, they are providing other products and services. But now they are going to move from these products and services to the financial services as well, using pre-existing data and technological capability. For example, Google Pay and Apple Pay, Alibaba. These are considered to be tech fin companies. During the past few years, fintech has witnessed an improvement or an increase in number of companies and investment in this field. For example, in 2018, the global investment in fintech reaches $57.9 billion, while total venture capital and mergers and acquisition reaches 260 billion. While with respect to unicorns, there is 28 unicorns by 2018. Actually, these figures shows that fintech is not a niche phenomenon. Okay, let's make a quick quiz in order to make sure that you understand this part. With respect to question number one, who stated in 1994 banking is necessary, banks are not? Yes, the correct answer is B, Bill Gates. Question number two, fintech is a yes, the correct answer is C, financial technology. Question number three, how many fintech unicorns existed by in 2018 according to the notes? Yes, they are 28. Jack Ma issued the banking code in which year? Yes, 2013. Question number five, the core definition of fintech emphasizes. Yes, number B, technology enabled innovation resulting in new business models with material market effect. Question number six, which category describes Alibaba and financial, WeChat, etc.? All of them are considered to be tech-fin companies. Question number seven, fintech typically succeeds by delivering existing services. Yes, the answer is number B, faster, cheaper, and more personalized and accessible. And finally, question number eight, total global fintech investments from 2018 to mid 2000, from 2012 to mid 2018 was. Yes, the correct answer is over $260 billion. This is the end of our lecture today. Thank you and see you next lecture. Bye.